Just for history, one time I can win. Ending this game. Please, chicken. One step, and I'm ending this game. Yes! $5,000! Come on! Come on, I'm profit 5,000! Come on! Come on! What's problem? Come on! I'm ending this game! Chad! Stupid chicken, I'm ending you!
Bro.
I'ma be on the next level. I'ma be
Bro.
rocking over that bass
Bro.
treble. I'ma be
my God.
chilling with my mother.
Do I take it? Yo, play. What's the play? Cash. If I was a bitch. Bang! Let's go, boys. Let's go.
What is 25k gonna do for me right now? Or I go do a 30k buy. Unwanted. I just do a 30k wanted? Probably.
Stop too low! Do I click it? Click! Yeah! Let's go! Let's fucking go! If you see, then chicken stopped, little slowly time. After that you will lost. Easy. 5k comeback, little comeback. Okay, let's go hard mode.
$6 and I'm out. Okay, I'm out. Okay, actually, no trolling. Give me 3k. I'm out, and I'm actually not trolling it. I'm actually not trolling. Okay. 4k, and I'm dead ass out.
Dernier. Non, là ça risque d'être dur. Peut-être pas en même temps. Ça veut rien dire. Allez, va chercher, t'étais pas loin, tu le sais. Va chercher mon poulet. Oh, il y est encore pas loin. J'y crois pas. Bon, mais je le passe directement première fois. Oh là là, mais quelle folie.
29. Yes, chicken, yes, chicken! Only one step, 29 round, and now I will be win. So that's crazy, that's really crazy. Are you ready? One click, let's go. But now I can cash out, look at this. Oh, or ending, okay, one space. Yes! Yeah! I'm ending this game.